Hello, I'm Mel Armstrong, a New Zealand-based illustrator, artist and surface pattern designer. My creative journey revolves around patterns, whether crafted digitally or through traditional means. I am utterly captivated by the process of transforming my art into intricate patterns and then seeing them come to life on products such as fabric, wallpaper, or many other surfaces. Delving into painting patterns within the pages of my sketchbook has been a fulfilling creative escape. Each stroke of paint on a blank page is a moment of disconnection from the world and a reconnection with myself. Inspiration blossoms from the unique intricacies of every flower. Often the seemingly peculiar ones unveil the most stunning patterns. My focus isn't fixated on achieving realism, but rather on the interplay of colours and repetitive motives. Gouache holds a special place in my artistic repertoire due to its versatility, boldness, and its seamless integration with my digital style. In this class, we will explore the allure of gouache, delving into various brush techniques and methods. For the final project, you will select a single flower or two from a photo reference and translate it into a pattern within your sketchbook. Our journey begins with an overview of the necessary materials, followed by a deep dive into colour theory and the properties of gouache. We'll then embark on selecting our flowers, crafting compositions, and sketching our paintings. Next, we'll dive into applying the initial gouache layers. Then, with the initial gouache layers complete, we'll add our final touches to our masterpiece. As a bonus, I'll share insights into how to scan and convert it into a seamless repeat pattern in Photoshop, allowing you to use your pattern on various surfaces such as fabric or wallpaper. By the end of this class, you'll possess the skills to fill your sketchbook with enchanting floral patterns. Whether you're an absolute beginner or a seasoned painter, this course welcomes all who wish to explore the medium of gouache. Let's dive right in and get started.